Hey, what's up everyone? This is a demo of a big knob tube 808 that's supposed to be like a vintage tube screamer into my Mesa Boogie Mark III Coliseum. Here I am on the clean channel. The EQ is disengaged. Okay, we're gonna turn on the big knob. So that gives you a good idea, you know, for the clean channel again. A little bit of grit because I am playing with active pickups, but here you go. Now this is channel 2, and that'll give us just a little bit of a crunch with the pedal off. There's also a little bit of a volume drop. That's just something with the amp. So a little bit of a crunch. Okay, so here it is again with the pedal. Okay, now we're going to go into the third channel. This is great for heavy metal rhythm guitar. And we're also going to put the EQ back in. And here it is with the pedal. Make a little bit of adjustments. I'm going to pull the tone back down. Just drive a little. So here it is again with the pedal off. Now with the pedal on. And I'm going to put a little bit of more of the mids so the lead lines sing a little bit more. Without the pedal. Again with the pedal. Without the pedal. So again with the pedal. And back to the more of the metal rhythm. Again without the pedal. And there it is. Just gives you a little bit of overdrive, you know, and there it is.